The model basically knows all the things that the AI produces. So the model knows what a tree looks like, what a lake looks like, what a person looks like, all those things. The model is trained to understand image content and to generate it. There are new types of models coming out more and more frequently these days. Stable Diffusion has a base model which can generate things. They usually don't look great. So the internet decided, okay, we're going to take that model and try to improve it, like fine-tune the model in different ways. From this, all these community-led models came from. We have Stable Diffusion 1.5 models and Stable Diffusion XL models. We also have Stable Diffusion 3 and 3.5 and that kind of stuff, but the most standard ones are Stable Diffusion 1.5 and Stable Diffusion XL. How are they different? Stable Diffusion 1.5 was trained on images with a resolution of 512 by 512 pixels, so it can only reliably generate images with the same resolution. Stable Diffusion XL is the next generation of Stable Diffusion models, and that one was trained on 1024 by 1024 pixel images, so twice the resolution. So theoretically, you can generate twice as sharp or clear images. Now you might think, okay, I'm just going to go with Stable Diffusion XL because that's the one that looks better, right? Yes, theoretically, yes. But if you have not the greatest hardware, I would very much encourage you to start with Stable Diffusion 1.5 and kind of test the waters with that.